Early Ford headlight switch removal. This is actually a 68 Mustang. I've already removed the heater controls here so that I have access to the back side of the switch. First thing I'll do is reach in, unplug the switch. Then I'm going to reach across the top of the switch, pull the headlight switch out, and on the side of the switch there's a button. Push that button down, remove the switch actuator, big screwdriver, unthread the center retainer out, switch removed. Now, the center retainer goes in like this. You notice this tab right here that, let's see here. Okay, there's that tab right there that aligns with that relief like that. And of course we're going to drop it. We're going to pick it back up. There we go. Thread this back in for storage for the time being. Right here is the button that we push. So if the switch handle is in place like this, okay, now I can't pull it out. Pull it out part way, push that button, and then it comes out just like that. Pretty straightforward, very common for a variety of different manufacturers. This is very typical of almost all of your early Fords. Not too bad. Pretty easy to do. Knowing the tricks makes life a lot better.